YouTube channel. Today we are going to bake and grill ribs. Now that my ribs are washed and cleaned already, we can start adding the ingredients on the ribs. But first, I'm going to tell you the ingredients. Ingredients you will need are mustard, basic barbecue rub, and barbecue sauce. First, I'm going to brush the mustard on my pork ribs. Make sure to coat this side and the back side. The reason why I'm using mustard is because it has a type of vinegar in it, and that vinegar makes the mustard go well with pork, ribs, or any other meat. Now I'm going to add the basic barbecue rub and just sprinkle it. Put the oven to 375 Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake it in for 1.5 hours. Cover it with aluminum foil and put it in the oven. 1.5 hours done, we can start grilling the ribs. Now we are preparing the grill. Now we're going to put it on the grill. We're putting it on the grill so we can keep a smoky flavor on the meat. Now it's time to taste our finished product of the pork ribs. Still hot. I need another taste because it's that good. The meat is so tender, very chewy and very moist and juicy. Now it's time to taste it with some salad. The salad is very good. Especially with the raspberries. It's delicious. These are the best ribs I've ever had. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified when I post my next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!